facing the "you are currently roaming" error while trying to back up WhatsApp over mobile data? Don't worry, this is a simple glitch related to settings and it can be easily fixed with a few adjustments. Let's dive into it. Solution 1. Enable mobile data backup. Most users see this error because they don't activate the data-based backups on their phones. To do this, you need to open WhatsApp. Tap the three-line icon in the top right corner. Open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Chats. Scroll down again and tap on Chat Backup. Now make sure to toggle on backup using cellular or mobile data. After that, see if the error is gone or not. Solution 2. Turn on international roaming. Open your phone settings. Tap on Connections. Since you're using mobile data, tap on Mobile Networks. Now toggle on data roaming. After that, see if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 3. Allow data usage. Data saver can also sometimes cause an error like this. To fix it, tap and hold on the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. You'll be back to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called Mobile Data and tap on it. Ensure background data usage is turned on and toggle on Allow data usage while data saver is on. Now if your problem is not getting fixed even after trying all this, you can try one last method. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Find the option called System or General Management. Now tap on it. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Scroll down again and tap Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now confirm the reset. After this reset is done, your problem should be fixed. And that's how you can fix the WhatsApp backup issue over mobile data on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.